We have been getting a series of big voices from the World Economic Forum, the India Economic Summit bit of that forum. Right now, CNBC TV 18's Ashmit Kumar has caught up with the Nestle India chairman, Suresh Narayanan. Let's listen in.
The way I see it is that I think the rate cut seen together with the prospects of better monsoons, better rural incomes therefore coming in, I think should translate in an overall context of a better feel-good factor for the Indian economy into hopefully greater investments. And certainly fast-moving consumer good companies like the one that I represent should in the longer term benefit from this.
So a quick question as well about the fact that India appears to be at this moment in a sweet spot. The IMF came out with some good data. The World Bank has hiked us up in terms of the competitive index. Just a thought on that about how the macros are looking and how India appears to be a sweet spot. The IMF has called it the bright spot. Just a word on that.
Sure. Look, I think the overall context is very clear. Global economic growth is clearly slowing down. I think the IMF estimates also are talking about petering them down. China clearly is also, while still being a pocket of growth, still has its own issues. So I guess that one of the key winners in this entire surrounding of economic gloom is India. So I certainly see India being the beneficiary of a lot of positive flow coming to it as a consequence of both policy, population and also perspective.
In light of the Maggi issue, how is Maggi currently doing in terms of market share, one? Sure. And two, in light of the Maggi crisis, has there been a reorientation in terms of perhaps the non-Maggi portfolio?
Look, I think two things are clear. One is, as I mentioned the last time, Maggi is back to leadership. We are now over 57% of the market. The new variants also have met with an encouraging response. The non-noodle part of the portfolio, which is our chocolates portfolio, nutrition portfolio, dairy portfolio, all have seen the benefits of some fairly sharp innovation in the last 2 or 3 months. And I'm happy to say that the traction and the train is progressing well.